I'm so happy to see you.
I'm so happy to see you.
You know, I know the Latin. You are not in Yoruba.
See you
Hey, how me? You are tea. Who do you speak Yoruba with? Let's start from there. Apart from Musiwande. My grandma, that's great. Your Yoruba companion. I'm going to seize the opportunity. Now let's make it a summer conversation in Yoruba with grandma. So that between your mom and Tamilore's mom. Now, we want to make that.
My mom is older.
Okay. So what do we say? Oh, how do we say older in Yoruba? How do we say my mom is older? And there is something about Yoruba. We don't have names for sister. English will say older sister, older brother, is my sister. Yoruba does not say that now. We use the title for a man, a woman, a child. What do we call a woman? Now, kini man àbí boy ní Yoruba. So, this sister, you know, a sister is a female, a girl, a woman, a lady. And in Yoruba, it is called kí là ń pè ní Yoruba. Oh, so we are just going to attach it. Ìyá mi ni ẹ̀gbọ́n obìnrin. That's all. For fluency, ìyá mi ni ẹ̀gbọ́n obìnrin. We say ní plus ẹ̀yìn. A fún wa ní kíni? Lẹ́yìn. Can you see that